Method for using curved handpieces with small straps. First, open the buckle on the handpiece. Thread one end of the small strap through it. Then lock the buckle to secure that end of the strap. Place the curved handpiece on the treatment area of the thigh, with the curved side in contact with the contour of the thigh. Wrap the small strap around the thigh, pass it through the slot on the handpiece, adjust the tightness to a comfortable level, then fasten it with the adhesive closure. The other side is secured in the same manner. Tap Start to begin the treatment. After the treatment time ends, remove the handpieces and unfasten the straps. Calf muscle building and shaping. Place the curved handpiece under the calf, with the curved side in contact with the calf. Tap Start to begin the treatment. Abdominal muscle toning and shaping. The client should lie flat on the bed in a relaxed position. The abdominal area must be kept clean and dry. Place an insulating pad over it. Select one or two flat handpieces according to the client's body size. Use straps to secure the handpieces onto the abdominal area. Adjust the settings on the interface. After the treatment time ends, remove the handpieces and unfasten the straps. Shoulder relaxation. Raise the pillow to a higher position, approximately 20 centimeters. The client should lie flat on the bed in a relaxed position. Place the emergency stop button in the client's hand and instruct them to press it at any time if they experience discomfort during the treatment. Buttock firming and shaping. Use straps to secure the flat handpiece onto the gluteus maximus muscle. Cushion usage. Remove handpiece A from the connector on the rear panel of the device. Then connect the cushion's cable to the A connector. Place the cushion on a chair or bed. Turn on the device. Tap auto mode or manual mode. The interface will automatically switch to the cushion-dedicated screen. Instruct the client to sit on the cushion, aligning the targeted area with the cushion. Legs should be opened to shoulder-width apart.